IIT NCERT presents curriculum-based series Dhwani Shala. So let's join in Dhwani Shala Class 8.
Hello children, how are you? Yes, I know you are fine and you are just doing various activities by your own. And we are asking doubts from our teachers. We are listening radio programs, watching learning programs on TV also. I welcome you in today's episode, that is episode 2 of chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. Myself, Vinod Bala, will be your team member for today's episode. Let us start with reflections of episode 1. There was a riddle. Then, what are equations? We talk about that. Especially, what are linear equations? Then we developed understanding about solutions of linear equations and their applications in real life situations. Today also, we will just talk about real life situations, and in those situations, how can we apply the concept of equations. But let us start with a game. Okay, keep your notebooks ready. Let us start today's game. All of you think of a number. Yes, you have listened correctly. Every one of you think about a number, maybe different for each. This game is similar to the riddle which we did in previous episode, but you will enjoy it. There is a minor difference. Every one of you have a number now. Make the double of this number. You may note down in your notebooks. Done it? Very smart. You have done it. Now, to this double number, add 30. Everyone have to add 30 to the double of that number and keep this total sum ready. Ready with this total sum? Fine. Make half of the number so obtained. Take your time. Let me give you 1 minute time to think. I am not in a hurry. But make half correctly. Oh, you have done. You are so smart. You have done so quickly. Now subtract 15 from it. What is left? Is it the same number by which you started in the beginning? Yes, it is the same number. Is it not so interesting? Obviously, it is very interesting. You got the same number. Now let us discuss how you got the same number. Let us all of us think about it. In the beginning, we took any number. To this any number, we can take m. Once we doubled it, we got 2m. And then as per instructions, we added 30 to this 2m and we got 2m plus 30. The next instruction was to make half of this total sum. So let us divide 2m by 30 by 2. And we are just getting m plus 15. Out of this m plus 15, we need to subtract 15 as per the next instruction and we are left with m, the same number by which we started in the beginning. Now, let us try to apply the concept of equations in real life situations. Let us consider situation 1. A farmer has a rectangular plot. Its length is twice of its breadth. Yes, you have listened correctly. Length of the plot is twice of its breadth. If the perimeter of the plot is 240 meters, help the farmer to find the length and the breadth. Let me repeat the question so that you can listen and you can write down and you can think on this situation. There is a farmer. He has a rectangular plot, but the condition about this plot is its length is twice of its breadth and perimeter of the plot is 240 meters. We need to help the farmer to find the dimensions of the plot, that is length and breadth. How can you find? Can you help the farmer? Let us just think on this situation. In such type of word questions, first we need to think what is given here. Two things are given. First is perimeter of the plot, and second is the relationship between length and breadth of the plot. Length is twice the breadth of the plot. Then we need to think what is to find out. We need to find out length and breadth. Let us assume the breadth of the plot be b meters. You can take m meters, x meters, whatever you just want to assume, you can take it. There is not any hard and fast rule that every time you have to take b meters. We have assumed breadth as b meters since the length of the plot is double. So here length will be 2b meters. Find the perimeter. What will be the perimeter? Can you tell me the formula to find the perimeter of the rectangle? Yes, it is correct. 2 into L plus B. In place of L, we will write 2B, and in place of breadth, we will write B. So 2B and B will be 3B. According to the formula of perimeter, we have to multiply it by 2. So we got 6B. And in the given question, this 6B perimeter is equal to 240. In this way, we got a linear equation. 6B is equal to 240. We need to find B. This 6 on the right hand side will be in the denominator, because on the left hand side this 6 is in product with B. On the right side it will be in division. So 240 divided by 6 gives us 40. Hence the breadth of the plot is 40 meters and length is double. 40 multiplied by 2 will be 80 meters. See how easily we have just calculated length and breadth of the plot. No need to see the answer at the back of the book. In such type of word questions, easily you can verify your answer. Let us try to verify here. Breadth is 40 and length is 80. Let us calculate the perimeter by using the formula 2 into L plus B. 2 into 80 plus 40. 80 plus 40 is inside the bracket. It is 120 multiplied by 2, 240. Hence the answer is verified. In this way, we use equations to solve real life situations. Let us take one more situation. In situation 2, Vani is twice as old as Uday. Listen once again. Vani is twice as old as Uday. 5 years ago, her age was 3 times the age of Uday. 5 years ago, her age was 3 times the age of Uday. Find their present ages. Again, in these type of word questions, we have to remind ourselves what is to find out and what is given. Here given is 2 statements are given. First statement is Vani is twice as old as Uday. We can start from this statement. So let us assume the present age of Uday. Be careful children, present, because the next statement is about 5 years ago. Present age of Uday is X years. Since Vani is twice as old as Uday, therefore present age of Vani is 2x years. You can note down children. Now 5 years ago means before 5 years. What do you think about their ages 5 years ago? We need to subtract 5 from their present ages. Hence, Uday's age 5 years ago will be x minus 5 years and Vani's age 5 years ago will be 2x minus 5 years. This is according to our known knowledge. But according to the condition given in the question, Vani was 3 times as old as Uday before 5 years. Hence, Vani's age 5 years back, that is 2x minus 5, is equal to 3 into x minus 5. Be careful, children. This x minus 5 will be inside the bracket. In this way, we have set up a linear equation. Now, our job is to solve this linear equation. When we solve linear equations in one variable, first we expand the bracket and then we arrange the variables on one side. So, let us expand the bracket. 2x minus 5 is equal to 3 is multiplied with x. We got 3x minus 3 is multiplied with 5 also. 3x minus 15. Now transfer this 3x on the left hand side. We got 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 15 is already on the other side. And this minus 5 we will shift on the other side. Its sign will be changed. It will be plus 5. On the left hand side, we just left with minus x. Why minus x? 2x minus 3x will give us minus x. On the right hand side, minus 15 plus 5 will give us minus 10. So minus x is equal to minus 10. This minus sign will be cancelled from both sides and we got x is equal to 10. Hence, present age of Uday is 10 years. And present age of Vani is 20 years. Are you ready to verify the answer? Because I told you in word questions, no need to see the answer at back. We can just verify answer by just applying the mathematical logics. Let us try to verify here. Present ages of Uday and Vani are 10 years and 20 years respectively. Let us think for their ages 5 years back. 5 years ago, age of Vani was 20 minus 5, 15 years and age of Uday was 10 minus 5, 5 years. Obviously, 15 is 3 times that of 5. Hence, Vani was thrice as old as Uday. Hence, it is verified. Now, let us discuss one more situation, that is situation 3. Listen the situation carefully. It is very interesting situation. Half of a herd of deer. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. Let me repeat this word question once again. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. How to start? Let us assume the number of deer in the herd be D. Children, you can take D, you can take A, you can take M. Why X every time? So it is up to you. You can take any. Total number of deer in the herd be D. The number of deer gone to graze is D by 2. Yes, you can write down in your notebook. What about the remaining deer? Remaining deer will be D minus D by 2 and we are left with D by 2. We found remaining because as per the statement of the word question, 3/4 of the remaining deer. So let us find 3/4 of the remaining deer. It is equal to 3 by 4 into D by 2. That was remaining. Now 9 rest are drinking water from the pond. There are 3 subdivisions. The total number of deer were divided into 3 divisions. Half, that is D by 2, plus 3/4 of half, 3 by 4 into d by 2 and rest 9 is equal to total number of deer, that is d. In this way you got the equation. Let me tell you the equation once again, that is d by 2 plus 3 by 4 into d by 2 plus 9 is equal to d. Now let us take all the variables to one side, that is left hand side. D by 2 plus 3 by 8d minus d is equal to constant 9 taken on the other side, sign will be changed, it will be minus 9. Now let us collect d by 2 and minus d together, and plus 3 by 8d on the same side equal to minus 9. Minus d plus d by 2 will give you minus d by 2. So the next step is minus d by 2 plus 3 by 8d is equal to minus 9. To make the simplifications easy, you can take 9 by 2 common. Inside the bracket you are left with minus 1, because out of minus d by 2 you have taken d by 2 common, you are left with minus 1. And out of 3 by 8d you have taken d by 2 common, you are left with 3 by 4. Close the bracket, is equal to minus 9. So on the left hand side you have d by 2 into minus 1 by 4. From where this minus 4 came? It is the simplification of minus 1 plus 3 by 4. And on the right hand side it is the single number minus 9. Minus sign gets cancelled from both sides. You are left with d by 8 is equal to 9. This 8 is in the denominator, that is in division. On the other side it will be in multiplication. So the next step is d is equal to 8 into 9. D is equal to 72. Hence the number of deer in the herd is equal to 30 is equal to 72. In such type of word questions we no need to check the answer from the back of the book, because we can verify it. Let us verify the answer. How can you verify? Try. Fine. Let us start with the total number of deer in the herd, that is 72. Gone to graze? Half. 72 divided by 2, 36. It means 36 deer went to graze. And how many deer left? 72 minus 36, that is 36. Now number of deer who are playing is 3/4 of the remaining. 3/4 of 36, that is 3 by 4 into 36. After simplification you got 27. Out of 27 you are just left with 9. So you can just see 72 minus 36 and 27. You are left with 9. In this way you are just getting the correct answer. Hence it is verified. Are you not excited? We have a variety of real life situations, and every time we need the application of these linear equations to solve them. Let us think for another situation. Situation 4 is Atuba has rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 notes in her bag. The total amount of all these notes is rupees 400. The ratio of the notes is 2:3:5 respectively. Find the number of notes of each type. Let me read it once again. Atuba has rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 notes in her bag with a total amount of rupees 400. The ratio of the notes is 2:3:5 respectively. Find the number of notes of each type. In these type of situations, it is important to know how to start. How to start here? Let us start with the ratio. Since the ratio of rupees 100 notes, 50 notes and 10 notes is given, 2:3:5 respectively. So let us assume the number of notes of rupees 100 as 2y. Rupees 50 notes be 3y and rupees 10 notes be 5y according to the ratio. So 100 notes are 2y, 50 notes are 3y and 10 notes are 5y. Write down in your notebooks. Cost of rupees 100. These are 2y in number will be 100 into 2y, that is equal to 200y. Cost of rupees 50. These are 3y in number will be 50 into 3y is equal to 150y. And cost of rupees 10 notes, which are 5y in number, will be 10 into 5y is equal to 50y. We are just going to compare the sum of these currency notes is equal to total cost, that is 400. So we got the linear equation, that is 200y plus 150y plus 50y is equal to 400. All the terms on the left hand side are variables and are of y. So we can add these terms. 200y plus 150y plus 50y is equal to 400. In next step we have 400y is equal to 400. And this 400 which is in product with y will be division on the other side. Hence y will be equal to 400 by 400. Means y is equal to 1. Once we substitute y is equal to 1 in place of number of notes, we are just getting the number of rupees 100 notes as 2y and y is 1. So the total number of 100 notes will be 2 and the total number of 50 notes will be 3y since the value of y is 1. Hence the number of 50 notes will be 3. The number of rupees 10 notes is equal to 5y. After substituting y is equal to 1, we will get the number of rupees 10 notes is equal to 5. In this way, we solve this situation also. Can you verify it? Okay, this is for you. Verify it by your own. Let us think for some other situation. Are you ready? Are you tired? No, you are not tired. You are enjoying. You are writing. So let us hear the next situation. I'll just speak slowly so that you will be in a position to hear. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? Okay, didn't get it. No problem. Let me read out this word question once again. One of the two digits of a two-digit number. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? Let us discuss about this situation. What is given in this word question? Okay, there is a two-digit number. Very good. In this two-digit number, one digit is 3 times the other. What is given? One digit is 3 times the other. Okay, let us start with the statement and assume the units digit of the number as x. Then tens digit will be 3x as per the given statement of the word question. So units place is x and tens place is 3x. If units place and tens place of a two-digit number are known, how can you form the number? We can multiply tens place by 10 and we can add units place to this number. So in this situation, 3x, that is tens place, is multiplied by 10 and units place, which is x, is added to it. 10 into 3x is 30x plus x. So we got the number as 31x. It is original number. Children, you can just keep this original number 31x in the box. Now, as per the statement of this word question, we have to interchange the digits. If we interchange the digits, then units digit will be 3x and tens digit will be x. And the number after interchange of digits will be 10 into x plus 3x. That is 10x plus 3x, and if we are going to simplify it, it is equal to 13x. Children, you put this number also in the box. This number is after interchange of the digits. As per the question, the sum of original number and the number formed after interchange of digits is 88. Hence 31x, that is the original number, plus 13x, that is the number after interchange of digits, is equal to 88. Got the linear equation. 31x plus 13x is 44x, which is equal to 88. This 44 is in multiplication with x. It will be in division on the other side, and x will be equal to 88 divided by 44, that is 2. X is equal to 2. You need to substitute this value of x in the original number, that is the number you have just kept in the first box, 31x. Once x is substituted 2 here, it will be 62. 31 into 2, that is the original number. Hence original number is 62, and the number after interchange of the digits is, tell me, 26. Yes, correct. Can you verify? Children, verify. Quite simple to verify. Add these two numbers, 62 plus 26, and you got 88. See children, we are just, getting satisfied, happy once we are in a position to verify our answers. But let me share one trick. During examination time, verification work should be done after the attempt of all the questions, because time factor is also important. How was the class? Did you enjoy? Okay, thanks a lot. Good day. We will meet again. Thank you.
You were just listening to curriculum-based programs Dhwani Shala. Production assistants Meenakshi Kukreti, Tanu Gupta and Jagbandhu Jana. Recorded by Bati Langlingdo and produced by Vandana Arimardhan. This program was brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.